Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make hexagon pattern in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use free add-on, so we can go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Get Extensions, and then we can search Extra, Merge, Objects, and then we can click Install to install this free add-on. Now I close this panel and then go to Add and Merge, and then we can find Extra. And then we can find Honeycomb. Okay, and then we can see the hexagon pattern is created. Now we can go to add Honeycomb. We can adjust it. For example, we can add the rows and we can add columns. And also we can adjust the size, and also we can adjust the edge width. So if you want to make it 3D, we can select it and then go to Edit Mode and then press E to extrude it. So this is how we can make hexagon pattern in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.